Hey everybody, Sal Governale here. Zesty, big meals, small places. You know, unfortunately right now, because of this crisis, a lot of people are feeling the pinch. So I'm going to show you a great way to make a great meal at an awesome price. Check it out.
If there's ever been a guy on a mission, it's me, comedian and cooking fanatic Sal Governale. Each week I travel around with just my toaster oven, showing people how to make big meals in small places.
Hey everybody, Sal Governale, big meals, small places. Let me tell you something. Flat iron steak is America's best kept secret. It's cheaper than most steaks and it melts in your mouth like butter. So today I'm gonna make you a great dish, flat iron steak with zesty garlic and herbs. Olive oil, some red pepper, so much more. I'm getting all worked up. So be sure to subscribe for recipes. And now check out this awesome recipe where you can save money as well. Today we are making a barbecue grilled flat iron steak with a zesty garlic and herb sauce that is out of this world. Now let's make the sauce. 4 cloves of garlic, a 1/4 cup of white onion, then a 1/2 cup of chopped parsley, a 1/2 cup of chopped basil, add a cup of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red vinegar, a tablespoon of salt, a teaspoon of pepper, a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper, and a teaspoon of oregano. Give that a good mix, and there is your zesty garlic and herb sauce. Now, if you want to blend it, that is optional. It doesn't matter. I like it blended. Now let's get to the steaks. Lay out your flat iron steaks, olive oil on both sides, salt, and then pepper, and then garlic powder, and then onion powder. Do the same on both sides and let the steak rest at room temperature. Once the steak is rested, put it on your grill. I like to grill it 3 minutes on each side for medium. Look how nice those look. Then take them off the grill, put them on tin foil, and tent the tin foil. Let them sit for 10 minutes. After they sit, here's a trick. Take the corner of the foil, pour the juice in a bowl. Take a 1/4 teaspoon of horseradish and mix it up. That's a delicious sauce. Now it's time to cut the steak. Look how gorgeous that looks. Once you're done cutting the steak, pile it together nice and tight and pour that zesty, delicious garlic and herb sauce over the top, and it is ready to be served. Absolutely mind-blowing. The flavor is through the roof. And there it is, flat iron steak with your zesty garlic and herb sauce with olive oil and a little red pepper. Time to give it a taste.
So damn good. You have to make it. It's out of this world.